Smart Life. Live smart and be healthy for good. Dear fellows, concrete truck mixer used in civil engineering that has a kind of a rotating drum meant to mix, batch and transport concrete. Take some control measures as it is a hazard. Risk: chemical burns with concrete, respiratory problems, electrocution, overturn, irritation on eyes, skin, falling from heights, crash injuries, trapping. Precautions: don't insert your hand in the rotating mixer bowl. Inspect regularly the rotating mixer bowl. Wear adequate PPE. Avoid letting the mixer running unattended. Read and follow instructions manual. Understand the operating procedures. It takes a smart life practice to be safe both home and at the workplace. Smart Life. Live smart and be healthy for good.